I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beckley. Thanks for the intro, Peter. I've been soaking up the atmosphere, and I'm really looking forward to what lies in store. Stays in the starting 11, no surprise there, I don't think. Yeah, I think once we saw the lineups, this was fairly predictable. Of all the grand stadia in world football, none more impressive than this. The crowd wait to offer them a red-hot welcome. So the two starting lineups. Got things on the way. Pogba. This is quite a run, and he's not done yet. Standing over it. Bernardo Silva. Tries to dink it in. Oh, that's brilliant! And already they're looking to run away with it. It was a good shot, to be honest. I thought it was going wide, but it went in off the left-hand post. Great reactions in front of goal. He just saw what was on. Pogba. Pisaka. Fernandes. Shooting chance. Sticks it away. And they are dragging it back. Game on again. Really solid football. What a pass, but what a way to round it off. Great goal. The audacity to try it, and he made it count. Quarter of an hour played. Bernardo Silva. Gundogan. Pogba. Fernandes. Pisaka intercepts the throw. That's well read. No question, that's a foul.
The referee coming over to check on the injured player and has a word with the offender. Some of the crowd think it should have been another colour, but I think a yellow will suffice here.
Now Martial. Pisaka. Pogba. Sensational! Parity restored, and the whole thing shifts once more. Well, can you believe that? What a shot, what a finish. Perfectly placed on the left hand. Bernardo Silva. Sterling. He's still got it, needs help. Back in once more. Sterling. De Bruyne. Bernardo Silva. Saved! Keeper's done brilliantly. Pisaka. 1-0 up, but under the cosh. They could do with the half-time whistle here. Looking to get within range. Oh, the whistle's gone. What's he given? It's a mistimed tackle, and it is a penalty. presented with a golden opportunity here. Cleared without complication. Fernandez. Aguero. There's the end of the first half. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, the important thing for me in that first half is they've kept a purpose about their play. Because they've had loads of possession. They could have just knocked the ball around for the sake of it, but they've not. They've kept getting it forward.
Very little in it. The score at half-time is 2-1.
The second half gets underway. Safe to say they're in no hurry to relinquish the upper hand.
Bernardo Silva. And they're at him in a flash. Now Martial. Fernandinho. Has it in a wide position, so what next? Now surely. And that's been levered clear. Challenge. He could be in trouble here.
The tackled player is still down. He's going to need some treatment. Certainly a bad challenge. And, well, not surprisingly, the referee has reached for his cards. Only a yellow, though. I think he can consider himself a bit lucky there.
Fernandez. Deflected! Decent enough try. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Finds himself offside. It's so well to make use of the little space that was afforded to him. It wasn't easy, that. Fernandinho. Just about up to 75 minutes. Fernandez. Saka. Well, there's contact there one way or another. Oh, it's a penalty. Now the referee has given a free kick just outside the box. Looking to get within range. Steered in. Well defended, stood up well to his man. Oh, this looks promising. Got to make this count. Rashford. And with that, the final whistle. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly